Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy AIS Academy. So today in this session we are going to discuss about most important infrastructure which is going to be inaugurated today by Prime Minister Modi, that is the Chenab Bridge. The making of world's highest railway bridge that can weather an earthquake also. Ji haan, imagine a bridge so tall that it stands higher than the Eiffel Tower, so strong that it can survive a massive earthquake, even hurricane level winds, and even a deadly explosion. And now imagine that the bridge standing firm in one of the world's most politically sensitive and seismically active regions, that is Jammu and Kashmir. See, this is not a scene from a science fiction movie, this is real. This is India's Chenab Bridge. As you can see here, this is India's Chenab Bridge, the highest railway bridge on earth, just inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it took 2 decades and 3 countries cutting edge tech and over 1,486 crores to build this steel giant that floats above the Chenab River in terrain once it was thought impossible. Now, what makes this bridge more than just a steel and concrete? So let me tell you that why is it being called as the spine of Naya Kashmir? कि ये एक नया कश्मीर है, a marvel of modern engineering and a silent warrior in India's security strategy. So from earthquake to terror threats, from global design teams in Finland, Germany, as well as Austria, to the hands of Indian engineers. So stay tuned as we break down the facts, as we are going to break the facts, feast, as well as the future, and also the untold story behind this world's most astonishing railway bridge. So first of all, let me tell you what is this Chenab Bridge. अब ये Chenab Bridge है क्या? This Chenab Bridge is the world's highest railway bridge. Okay, it is located in Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir, India, and it is built 359 meters above the Chenab River, that 35 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower. Now, अब ये जो ब्रिज है, this bridge is a part of Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link project, which is meant to improve the connectivity in Jammu and Kashmir region. So as you can see here, it is built 359 meters above the Chenab River, that 35 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower, world's highest railway bridge, and this is a part of Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link project to improve the connectivity in Jammu and Kashmir, है ना. And ये कहाँ पे बनाया गया? रियासी district of Jammu and Kashmir. रियासी district कहाँ पे पड़ता है? This is the map of Jammu and Kashmir, and this is here in Jammu region. Okay, as you can see here. Now, so this bridge is inaugurated today by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that is today 6th June 2025. अब इस bridge को बनाया कैसे गया है? How it was made? So in news article it is mentioned that designed in Finland and executed in India. जी हाँ. So it is designed by WSP Finland, as you can see here. WSP, designed by WSP Finland. Also, there are other firms from Germany like Leonhard Andra Partner Germany. As you can see here, German firm Leonhard Andra Partner. They have designed the bridge arches. And then Austria, Vena Consulting Engineers, who aided in the design of pylons. Clear? So, Vena Consulting Engineers, they helped in the design pylons. Now, who executed this? This project is executed by Konkan Railway Corporation. As you can see here, this is once designed. The workers and engineers of Konkan Railway Corporation brought the plans to life. They are going to execute. Now there are several facts. What is the length of the bridge? The length of the bridge, तो अभी मैंने आपको बताया. So what is the length of the bridge? The length of the bridge is 1000, है ना. इसकी लेंथ कितनी होगी? 1315 मीटर्स. जी हाँ, the length 1315 meters, height 359 meters. 359 meters का मतलब क्या है? Around 1178 feet. And what is the material that used here? So the material is, अगर मैं आपको material की बात करूं, 28,660 metric tons of steel का यूज किया गया है इसमें. 10 lakh cubic meters of earthwork, 66,000 meter of concrete, है ना. 26 kilometer of motorable road built for the access. And what is the cost? Total cost is 1,486 crore. आप देख सकते हैं ये है पूरा प्रोजेक्ट, है ना. So this is considered as the peak of manpower. Around 3,200 workers and engineers were employed, है ना. And the weight of this architecture is around 10,619 metric tons. अब ट्रेन की स्पीड इस ब्रिज पर क्या हो सकती है ना. What can be the speed of train here? So train speed on this bridge up to 100 kilometer per hour, है ना. That is why it is called as engineering marvel. इसीलिए इसको क्या कहा जा रहा है? इसको कहा जा रहा है engineering marvel, है ना. So why it is called as engineering marvel? Because it can survive earthquake. सबसे पहली चीज समझिएगा, ये जो ब्रिज है, why it is called as engineering marvel? Because it can survive earthquake, है ना. It can survive blast. Blast से भी ये survive कर सकता है. And it is built in a difficult mountain terrain, है ना. So first of all, the thing is why it is called as engineering marvel. This is earthquake resistant. जी हाँ, earthquake resistant. कैसे, है ना. So let me tell you, this area is earthquake prone zone. And here the experts from IIT Roorkee, they studied the region and made it safe using grouting, anchor blocking, then shotcrete. Then also the rail deck is isolated from the rest of the bridge. जी हाँ, जो rail deck है that is isolated from the rest of the bridge using the spherical bearings so that train feel little to no impact from the earthquake. इसीलिए ट्रेन पर earthquake का कोई असर नहीं होगा. Now कितने रिटर स्केल तक earthquake सर्वाइव कर सकता है? It can survive an earthquake up to 8 on the Richter scale. 8 का मतलब समझ रहे हो, बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. समझ में आ रहा है? Second, why it is called as engineering marvel? It is blast proof. जी हाँ, this is blast proof. कैसे? Now this bridge can resist 40 kg TNT blast. And after blast, train can still run at 30 km per hour. And this bridge also uses 63 mm thick blast proof steel. Blast proof steel का यूज किया गया. And for the first time, use of self compacting concrete in India for filling steel part. ये पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है. And तीसरी चीज, why it is called as engineering marvel? This is weatherproof also. This is weatherproof. Now, this bridge can withstand winds of 266 km per hour. This bridge is corrosion resistant, है ना. Now, here in this bridge, corrosion resistant paint used for long life. Life expectancy of this bridge is around 120 years. Now, this is filtered. And also this is fitted with एन ऑनलाइन सेफ्टी मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम फॉर रियल टाइम अलर्ट्स। तो पूरी तरीके से इस ब्रिज को आप देखेंगे सेंसर्स हर चीज लगाए गए है ना। नाउ विच टेक इज यूज्ड इन दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन? तो एज यू कैन सी हियर तेकला स्ट्रक्चर सॉफ्टवेयर। जी हाँ, तेकला स्ट्रक्चर सॉफ्टवेयर यूज फॉर एक्यूरेट 3D मॉडलिंग ऑफ दी स्ट्रक्चर। तो अगर आप ओवरऑल टाइमलाइन देखें, ओवरऑल टाइमलाइन ऑफ दिस ब्रिज, अगर मैं टाइमलाइन की बात करूं यहां पर, तो इस ब्रिज बनने की शुरुआत हुई कब से बहुत सारे लोगों को तो पता भी नहीं है। द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दिस ब्रिज वाज स्टार्टेड इन 2004. Then this construction of this bridge got delayed due to the alignment as well as safety issues. Then again it got reassumed, है ना, again it resumed in 2010 with design changes. Now the arc joined to deck in April 2021. Deck was already completed in August 2022. Then trial train, है ना, ट्रायल रन कब से शुरू हुए? सो ट्रायल रन ऑफ मेमू ट्रेन, जो लोकल ट्रेन होती है, ऑफ मेमू ट्रेन इन जून 21 2023, 21 जून 2023 को ट्रायल रन हुआ। एंड देन द ट्रेन रैन फ्रॉम संगालदन टू रियासी, है ना, which covered 9 tunnels and also it was and 9 tunnels, total 40.787 किलोमीटर, इतनी चीजें कवर की गई। So that is why it included India's longest rail tunnel, that is T44, that is 11.13 kilometers. तो ओवरऑल अगर हम ये आर्किटेक्चर देखें, है ना, so this Chenab bridge is not just the tallest railway bridge in the world, but also one of the strongest as well as safest, which was built to handle the earthquake, then high winds and even the explosions. And it took decades of planning, international expertise, Indian engineering, and the crores of rupees to create this symbol of new and connected Kashmir. समझ में आ रहा है? Now, how it is beneficial, है ना, ये beneficial कैसे हो सकता है? So let's try to understand the benefits of this bridge. Now, ये कैसे benefit देगा? This Chenab bridge is not just a symbol of engineering excellence. It brings real and powerful benefits to the region as well as country. Now, first thing is, it is going to boost the connectivity in Jammu and Kashmir, and that is true also. It is going to boost the connectivity in Jammu and Kashmir. कैसे? Because this bridge is a part of Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla railway line, and this bridge connects remote as well as mountainous regions to the rest of India, and that is why this bridge makes it easier, faster and safer to travel between the Jammu, Riyazi, Srinagar and Baramulla by train. And this bridge also reduces the travel time drastically as compared to road travel, especially during the winter when the roads often blocked by the snow. Then what will be the second benefit? So second benefit will be the strategic and security benefits. जी हाँ, strategy and security benefits. Now, how strategic and security benefits? Now, it is going to help the Indian Army to move troops, arms, as well as supplies will become faster in these sensitive border regions. Now, this is considered as a strategic asset. So, this is a strategic asset in the times of military need or natural disaster. Now, this is built to withstand terror attacks also around 40 kg of TNT, as well as earthquakes, which making it highly reliable in emergencies. Then it also helps in economic growth, and job creation. Economic growth and job creation. So let's try to understand. कैसे? Now it is going to boost, it will boost tourism as well as small businesses in remote district like Riyasi. It will help farmers as well as artisans transport their goods to the larger markets. Then employment opportunity for locals in rail, transport as well as hospitality sector. है ना. Then the most important thing is it is promoting tourism. जी हाँ, it is promoting tourism. ये सबसे बड़ी चीज है, that this is promoting tourism. तो ये जो ब्रिज है ये टूरिज्म को बहुत प्रमोट करेगा, because this bridge itself a tourist attraction, है ना. It is taller than the Eiffel Tower, and tourists will be more likely to visit the scenic areas like Riyasi, Sangaldan, Banihal, etc. and etc. So it makes places like Vaishno Devi, Katra and other pilgrimage or adventure spots more accessible. Then this bridge also helps in sustainable development. कैसे? It encourages the rail travel, है ना, which is more environment friendly than the road traffic. It reduces the fuel use also as well as emissions from the trucks and buses in the region. Then another important thing is technology and engineering showcase. तो ये bridge क्या show कर रहा है? हमारी technology as well as engineering showcase, as you can see here. So it proves that India's capacity to handle the mega infrastructure, है ना, that India can handle the mega infrastructure projects in the most difficult terrain areas also, and it helps India to build a global reputation in infrastructure as well as railway technology. Then सबसे important चीज, it can ये survive करेगा 120 years, expected life क्या 120 years. So long lasting national asset हो गया अभी हमारा. This has become a long lasting national asset. जी हाँ. Now long lasting national asset, how? So let's try to understand this. है ना, expected life 120 years, built with corrosion resistant material as well as real time safety monitoring systems are used. Then low maintenance and high durability, which makes it cost effective in the long run. So overall अगर हम बात करें this bridge, this Chenab bridge is not just a bridge, it is a lifeline that connects people, boosts the economy, secures the nation and also inspire the future generation. It is a shining example of how infrastructure can transform a region. So overall जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया, अगर हम सभी चीजों को देखें, so some bridges connect places, but this Chenab bridge connect the dreams of India. It connects the heart of India to its crown, that is Kashmir. And this is more than a railway structure. It is the statement that no mountain is too high, no valley is too deep, no challenge is too great when vision meets determination. But so this is built to last 120 years, to carry out not just trains but hopes, progress, security. So this is our Chenab bridge, which stands as a beacon of what human willpower and Indian innovation can achieve. So in a world which is full of engineering wonders, this one rises not just in height but in spirit. So next time when you hear someone is saying that India cannot show, है ना, जब आप कभी सुने ऐसा that India cannot show them the Chenab bridge where steel meets soul, है ना, तो जब भी आप सुनिए कि इंडिया कुछ ऐसा नहीं कर सकता, है ना, तो हमेशा उनको दिखाइए ये चेनाब ब्रिज, है ना, और उसके बारे में बताइए कि स्टील क्या रिप्रेजेंट करी है. सो दिस चेनाब ब्रिज वेयर स्टील मीट्स सोल. जी हाँ, सो वेयर स्टील मीट्स सोल एंड द इम्पॉसिबल मीट्स रियलिटी. सो इफ यू लर्न समथिंग, है ना, इफ यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू टुडे or felt inspired, then like, share and drop a comment Jai Hind in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories that will blow your mind and make you proud, because this is not just a bridge, it's a history, it's a future, and it's new India. Thank you so much.